What's going on, guys? PKYLE146 here. Hope you guys are having a great day, evening, night, whenever you guys are tuned in. I have something special for you guys today, something I might have already done, I might not have. I think I did one at my mom's house when I was living there. I'm currently living with my dad. Obviously, that's personal stuff. But anyways, so today I'm here because I wanted to show you guys. I kind of set up my bedroom in a great way for me to do like my YouTube videos slash like personal life, space wise, yada yada. I guess wanted to give you guys a little tour of it because I'm feeling pretty comfortable with it. Like it's actually working pretty decently with me or for me. I just like rearranged this all within, let's say, the year of 2017. I'm still doing a little tuning, whatever, fixing it up. But right now it's perfect. Currently I'm working on saving up enough money to get a newer MacBook Pro. I wish they'd do 4K videos, or not 4K videos. I wish they had 4K screens, excuse me. Because a lot of my videos, like right now, I'm shooting this in 4K, and I don't know if it's going to play in 4K, because when I save videos, sometimes I got to do it in lower resolution, so it doesn't take up so much memory, yada yada. But yeah, so that's the one thing I just got to get left as of right now. Other than that, I have everything else that I probably need for my YouTube studio, so without further ado, so I don't keep talking to you guys, I will start right into it. See you guys in a second. Okie dokie, guys. So as I said, I'd be back. So let's go right on in. First, we'll start over here, I guess. Obviously, again, this is my bedroom. So this is, I guess I'll call it my custom wall. I'm a big New Orleans Saints fan, Street League, NASCAR, Nigel Houston, which I actually had that signed for me back at a Tampa Pro. I can't remember which one. I love Element. We got my local lacrosse team, the Rochester Nighthawks. I had a cousin and uncle that passed away, so I kind of created that for them, and I could look at that every day when I leave my room, you know. That was when I met my favorite skateboarder, Sean Malto. I believe that was a Tampa Pro 14 or 15. Have another little picture, which I printed that out or whatever. That was from one of the Super Crowns that he competed in, and I like that picture. Then I have my big Monster Energy can poster ad or board, whatever you want to call it. I got that from a skate park, actually. Then over here, I got a guitar, which is actually a Monster Energy one that Monster Energy gave away. I don't really know how to play, so it's kind of more of a collectible. Then, as you can see, I got a black and green, black and green blanket here. As you probably already know or noticed, I'm obviously a fan of black and green. Probably my favorite color combo is black, green, and white, to be honest with you. But I'll stick with black and green. That's okay with me. Then I got I got a custom pillow that was made back there for me. I got one actually underneath behind Gizmo and the Grinch there. I had that one made for me as well. Then on the back here, this is just more advertisements, whatever. I'm a big fan of Mark McMorris. This was actually when I met a great friend of mine. He's a very good skateboarder. His name's Mike Eisenhower. He's a local from where I live. We were wearing the same shirts and outfits, so I thought that'd be a goofy picture, you know. Then I got this over here. Hold on one second. Let me back up. This holds like my electronics, whatever. I kind of throw stuff in there. I got my radio for work. Because where I work, well, one of my two jobs, I guess we'll say, they use radios. Got a Coca-Cola puzzle thing that my uncle actually let me play with before he passed away. So I keep that as a collectible, you know. I got this, I guess, fake Rob Dyrdek picture that I actually found online because I thought it looked so realistic. I figured I'd go to the dollar store, buy a frame and frame it, you know, because I don't know what the chances are of me actually meeting Rob Dyrdek in person. So yeah, and then backing up, I have this plug down here with a bunch of plugs. I could plug USBs into it, charge my phone, my iPods, my iPad, my Apple Watch, yada yada. Then coming over here, colored in this Dairy Queen snowman ice cream guy. I love coloring in my free time, you know, it's just something fun to do and relaxing. I'm also a fan of the Rockstar energy drinks as well. Then this is one of the newer additions right here to my bedroom. I just picked this up maybe within the year, but this is a newer 2017 4K Mac computer, which this is where I probably do most of my editing on right here. I use iMovie to do everything. Yada yada, black and green going here. Also, I got this nice little cushion, so when I'm editing, you know, I'm not just on the flat part. It's nice and relaxing, you know. The newer model of Apple computers don't include DVD things, or built-in DVD ROMs, or whatever you want to call them. So I had to buy one. So there's that. Then coming back over here, I have a printer, which I also use as a studio as well, or as one of the things to do videos on, because it's a nice little black background, you know. Plus I have lights that I did feature in a past video, that I can set up and light that up more if it's like nighttime when I'm shooting the videos, whatever. And then obviously for personal use, I can print out stuff, you know. Coming back here, I have actually a box that I throw all my stickers in that I collect, whatever. I've had that for many years now. I'm also a fan of the Honey Stinger waffles. Those are great. If you ever try them, or if you haven't tried them, try them out. You'll probably like them too. And one second, sorry. Then I have, I'm gonna do that. There we go. I had to put my tripod down, guys. Sorry. Then under here, I have all of my current skateboards. You know, I figured it'd be much easier to have them right there, so they're ready to go. Whatever. And then coming over here, which you guys already saw, I set this up so I can eat my breakfast, lunch, dinner, whatever. Yada yada. And then coming over here, this is another newest edition, which I just changed this up like literally yesterday or the day before. Basically this is going to be kind of like the printer where I can shoot videos on it. When I do get my MacBook Pro, the newer one, I'll set it here so I can, you know, edit videos if I don't want to edit them there, whatever. Basically just another little desk space. I currently have my iPad right here right now, because what I could do is this works pretty good too, and I just pull up my chair, you know, and then I can use that as a computer as well. Basically, I just have many ways of doing things in my bedroom. You know, I like having multiple ways of doing things, whatever, and it makes it easier, you know, sometimes. Plus, I forgot to mention, if you guys don't already know, I'm also a big Apple fan. I used to be Windows fan. I still love Windows, don't get me wrong. But I am currently switched to everything Apple. I even have an iPhone, obviously an iPad, a computer, yada yada, you name it, I probably have it. Then coming over here, this is another newest edition. I used to have a basic 1080p TV. This is a 4K TV now, because my old one, the sound was starting to kind of go away, so I had to buy a new one. Then the next thing is, and there's my iPod Touch 6th Gen, by the way. Oh yeah, that's another thing I forgot to tell you. Through my iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, I like to blow up like my YouTube videos or watch my YouTube videos on there, you know, in my free time again. You know, perfect way to watch them if I don't want to watch them there or on my iPad, you know. Obviously, a bigger screen. I blow up like big skateboarding events too, like Street League, Dew Tour, X Games, Mountain Dew Tour. I think I just said that twice. If I didn't, I apologize. Tampa Pro, Tampa Am, whatever. Because I also have a 4K Apple TV that's down there now too, which I bought this actually around the same time that I bought the TV. I'm all about quality, you know, not necessarily quantity. Then I have a cable box, thanks to my dad, obviously. And so I could watch, like, you know, programs still on TV or whatever. Then I have 2 Xboxes down there. I have an Xbox One S, which I'd like to upgrade that to the one where you can do the 4K gaming, so everything's 4K, you know. That's going to be down the road. First, I'd like to get the MacBook Pro. Then I have the newest Xbox 360 down there, which looks like the Xbox One. You know, I still love playing the old consoles, whatever. So there's that. I have some little storage space down there now too, because I used to have, and I'll show you in a second, I had another cabinet that was over here, and I figured I'd change it up a little bit so now I have more space, and like I said, another desk setup basically. And then coming over here, I just have some mixed random stuff over there. This I use probably just about every day, if not most of the time. As you guys may already know as well, I love fingerboarding and tech decking. And I have changed this up actually quite a bit as well. But I make my own little parks, you know, whatever. I love being creative, as you probably noticed as well. I just had to actually replace this white paper, actually not too long ago as well, because this was just filthy and yada yada. So obviously, like when I'm making the fingerboarding videos, it's easier, or it pops out more, you know, when you have a white background, not a dirty background. So then there's that. Then I put all this together. Again, Element, I colored a custom Kawasaki, and I might be saying that wrong, Monster Energy bike over there. Saints. I'm a big Kyle Busch and Kurt Busch fan. I also went to the Super Bowl back when they were in Tampa Bay. I want to say it was back in 2010 maybe, something like that. My backyard neighbor's dog, which I actually helped her out because unfortunately she's a little paralyzed, so I have to help her out with a dog, you know, and this was her on my bed. That's Mona girl. Me going off a little curb. Rochester Nighthawks thing. Then I got like I guess a local type of thing made here. This I just threw on here. This I don't think is local. That was just a sticker that was given to me. Coming down here, I have a Kurt Busch model that was actually given to me by my dad for Christmas one year. I got Iron Man because I'm a big Iron Man fan. I have, which you can't really see right now, but a Mike Spinner Monster Energy Flick Tricks bike, which he's currently not, I don't think he's riding anymore, and if he is, that's obviously on him, whatnot. But then I have one of the original Tech Deck dudes that one of my friends gave to me. I have a black and green fidget spinner. I have a Tony Hawk big head dude. I have an original Finger Skate Selective chair that he used to sell, that he autographed and sent to me, obviously back in 2011, as you could tell there. A skateboard pin from Walt Disney World. My stepdad and my mom, and I have 2 younger brothers that went there. They got that for me when they went. Simpsons Lego dude. And then custom PKYLE146 Monster Energy fingerboard, which I'm just going to probably display that. I probably won't use that. but that was custom made from, can't think of the name, Northwest Decks, there we go. They sent that to me and made that for me, so big thanks to them. Then coming over here, I have my little note section, I guess we'll call it. Whenever I need to write a grocery list, make up a list, reminders, whatever, grab that, whatever I need, you know. I have some finger snowboards here. I have original Monster Energy sticker display box. I got the whole shebang from my local skate shop. The owner actually saved it for me, but these were given away as like a promotional slash advertising thing at certain gas stations a while back ago. Then I have a whole stack of Monster Army stickers, because maybe you guys don't know, but I will let you know. I am sponsored by them right now currently for skateboarding. I'm on the reserve team, so there's a little fun fact. Right now I'm just kind of collecting those as well. And then I colored this in. I'm also a fan of Ripper Energies, you know. They're $1 a piece, so they're cheap, you know, whatever. And there's that. Coming down here, I have, hang on 1 second. I have a Kickstart Mountain Dew display case, which this was given to me by one of my bosses slash owner, or not owner, but somebody that owns a Dollar Tree. They were going to toss this out, and I told them I'll take it because I like Mountain Dew as well. So what I did is I put Gatorade stuff down there, some Mountain Dew grip tape that I got, some stickers right over here. I put these stickers on, and then if you open this up, there's actually some drinks in there right now, which I know Monster doesn't belong in Pepsi products, but they're in there right now. Then I have some shirts. There's that. Then I have Mountain Dew and a Rockstar Energy hat. Then again, I have a framed picture of when I've met Sean Malto, because right now he's currently sponsored by Mountain Dew, so I figured that would go together with this display case. I got a bunch of his tech decks right here, which actually some of these are very hard to find, I'm not gonna lie. But I found them mainly on eBay, or I found them in the stores, you know. And then last but not least, I forgot to show you this part, but this used to be over there actually, because and that's what I was trying to talk about, where, you know, this was lower, that's higher. I'm a tall guy, I'm like 6 foot, you know. That wasn't very easy to use as a desk space. I was using that more as a display type of thing or whatever, kind of like the one over there. And then I just have more extra stuff in there, and whatnot. And then I have the chair that I sit on, obviously. I can move it around, whatever I gotta do. Other than that, I think that's about it. I'll just quickly go around again. 1 second. Let's see. 1 second. Alright, so then there's that, guys. Well, if you guys enjoyed this studio tour, or bedroom tour, whatever you want to call it, make sure you guys hit that like button. I guess until next time, have a good rest of your day. PKYLE146 out. Peace.